Now, this is another website that you can sign up anywhere you in the world and make money online. Before we get started, click the subscribe button now and subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. So without taking much of our time, the name of this website is called Cointiply. So in this platform, you make money in so many ways. The first thing you need to do is for you to go to the link in the description box below and sign up. Click on that link. It will take you to the sign up page, and you have to sign up to this platform and make money. So let me go back to my dashboard. All right, so you make money on this platform by simply watching ads, watching videos, and playing games and completing surveys and offers, and you make money from this platform. So I've already earned some coins here. As you can see, I've already earned some coins here. So I just discovered this platform a few days ago. So I decided to make this video, and you can try your own luck. You can try it. There's no harm in trying. So you try this website by yourself. So for that, click on the link in the video description and sign up to this platform. So let me show you how simply you can make money on this platform. So the first thing, after sign up, you come to your dashboard, and in your dashboard here, if you're using this website, have an app, and you can use browser version. So you'll come to earn coins, and then click on view PTC ads, and you can choose play any option. So on this, you click on view top paying ads. Let me show you how simple it is. Another page will open. So you have to watch the ad for 11 seconds. So you wait on the ad page until 11 seconds is complete. So let's wait. So as 11 seconds is complete, you have to come back to this page and then verify that you are not a robot. So here it says I should choose cheese. Which one is cheese? This, I think it should be this one. So I'll have to click here. So that is done. I've been credited. So the next thing is for me to refresh this page to load up another ad. Alright, so I have to click on view top paying ads again. Another ad will load up. After the countdown, I come back here and say I should choose tire. So I have to click on tire and then refresh this page again. I have to refresh the page again. So now click on another one, view top paying ads. I think you can see that my coins are increasing. This is 1,561 coins. So it is increasing. So I'm to choose medicine. I think this should be medicine here. So I need to refresh this again. So I think you can see it's increasing. I have 1569 here. So guys, you can continue viewing top paying ads, and then you see your coins increasing. So the best thing in this is that you can do this even inside the vehicle while you are walking on the road, anywhere you are, and while you are less busy. You use this to make small money here and there, and you start making money online. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and make sure you like this video. So thanks for watching. We shall see in our next tutorial.